Hi everyone, and welcome to Easy Trading Computers. This is our quick tip video series. In each of these videos, I will show you step by step how to perform configurations and customizations to save you time at your trading computer. In this video, I want to show you how to monitor your computer's CPU performance. In order to monitor your computer's CPU performance, you're going to want to use the Windows monitor your computer's CPU performance. In order to monitor your computer's CPU performance, you're going to want to use the Windows Task Manager. In order to monitor your computer's CPU performance, you're going to want to use the Windows Monitor to test the general capabilities of your CPU performance. In order to monitor your computer's CPU performance, you're going to want to use the Windows Task Manager. In order to monitor your computer's CPU performance, you're going to want to use the Windows your CPU. In other words, how well does it perform? Monitor to test the general abilities of your machine. There are a few computer's CPU performance monitor. You're going to want to use the Windows it perform during your CPU. In other words, how you experience as you use different applications. Number 3. To perform, there are a few computer's CPU performance monitors. You're going to want to use the Windows it perform during your CPU. In other words, how you experience as you use different applications. Number 3, to perform, there are a few computer's CPU performance monitors. You're going to want to use the Windows it perform during your CPU. In other words, how you experience as you use different applications. Number 3, to perform, there are a few computer's CPU performance monitor. You're going to want to use the Windows Task Manager. Left click number 3 in Performance tab, you'll be able to perform. There are a few CPU performance monitor. The physical memory usage. You're going to want to use the Windows Task Manager. More left click number 4. In the Performance tab, you'll be able to perform. There are a few CPU performance monitors. The physical memory usage. You're going to want to use the Windows Task Manager. Your graph should match the number of processors that more left CPU performance. See 2 examples of what you might be seeing on the physical memory usage. You're going to want to use one CPU for Windows Task Manager. Your graph should match the number of processors. More left CPU performance. See 2 examples of what you might be seeing on the physical memory usage. As it appears one CPU for Windows Task Manager. Your graph should match the number of processors. More left CPU performance. See 2 examples of what you might be seeing on the physical memory usage. As it appears one CPU for Windows Task Manager. Your graph should match the number of processors. The more left CPU performance. See 2 examples. One graph only shows history since the window has been open. CPUs for Windows Task Manager. The graph should match the number of processors. The more left CPU performance. See 2 examples. One graph only shows history breakdown of how the window has been opened. That's inside CPUs for Windows Task Manager. The first statistic that graph should match the number of breakdown. This counter shows the amount of RAM, in other words, random access memory, that is usable by the window has been opened. That's Windows. There will be a difference between the total memory that you have installed on your machine and the total available for the OS. The first statistic that gets mapped and dedicated to other computer functions. As a result, it's not available in this total number. The next thing that appears is usable by the window has been. Cash is pronounced just like money, C-A-S-H, just spelled a little differently, isn't it? This is the sum of the memory being used to temporarily store data that's total available for the total. The goal of this memory is to reduce the average time it takes to access certain data in the future, like a few seconds from now. The next thing that appears is your available memory. This is the amount of physical memory available for the auto. The goal of this memory is to reduce the average time it takes to access certain data in the future, like a few seconds from now. The next thing that appears is your available memory. This is the amount of physical memory available for the auto. The goal of this memory is to reduce the average time term, which is kernel memory. Basically, all you need to know is this is the memory used by the available memory. This is the amount of physical memory available for the auto. The goal of this memory is to reduce the average time term, which is Performance tab enabled for is kernel memory. Basically, all you need to know is this is the memory used by the available memory. This is the amount of physical memory available for the auto. The goal of this memory is to reduce the average time term. When you're viewing the Windows Task Manager, or your console, this is the amount of physical memory available for the auto. And continue. The goal of this memory is to reduce the average time term. When you're viewing the Windows Task Manager, or your console, this is the amount of physical that you have memory available for the auto. And continue. The goal of this memory is to reduce the average time term. When you're viewing the Windows Task Manager, or your console, this is the amount of physics that you have memory available for the and continue. The goal of this memory that you have memory available for the that you have memory that you have that you